Most people think building passive income takes years of grinding. They think you need a huge following, a ton of money to invest, or some secret skill nobody taught them. I thought the same thing, until I started testing AI tools. Because here's what I found. There are tools available right now, most of them free or under $30 a month, that can generate real passive income streams while you sleep. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly 5 of them. By the end of this video, you're going to know which 5 AI tools are actually generating passive income in 2026. Not theory, not hype. Real income streams. How each one works, step by step, even if you've never used an AI tool before. And which one you should start with first, based on your situation. So if you've been looking for a real, practical way to use AI to make money on the side, stay with me. This is going to be worth your time. Before we get into the tools, let me be real with you for a second. I'm not here to tell you these tools are magic. They're not. They're systems. And like any system, they take a little setup up front. But here's the difference between these and every other side hustle you've tried. Once the system is running, it doesn't need you there every day. That's the whole point of passive income. You put in the work once, and the income keeps coming. AI tools make that setup faster, cheaper, and more accessible than it has ever been before. Okay, let's get into it. Tool number 1. Tool number 1. ChatGPT for digital products. The first tool is ChatGPT. And before you roll your eyes and say everyone talks about ChatGPT, hear me out, because most people are using it completely wrong. They use it to write emails or answer questions. That's fine. But the real passive income play with ChatGPT is using it to create digital products. Here's what I mean. A digital product, like an ebook, a guide, a template, or a mini course, costs you nothing to create except time. And once it's live on a platform like Gumroad, it sells while you sleep. Forever. ChatGPT can help you go from idea to finished product in a weekend. The process is simple. Pick a problem your target audience has, ask ChatGPT to help you outline and write a solution, polish it up in Google Docs, turn it into a PDF, and list it for $17 to $47. One product. One weekend of setup. Ongoing passive income. I'll link ChatGPT in the description below. Tool number 2. ElevenLabs for faceless YouTube channels. Tool number 2 is ElevenLabs, and this one is personal because it's literally what you're hearing right now. ElevenLabs generates AI voiceovers that sound genuinely human. You paste in a script, pick a voice, and it creates professional audio in about 30 seconds. Here's how this creates passive income. Faceless YouTube channels. You research a topic, write a script, or use ChatGPT to help, generate the voiceover in ElevenLabs, pair it with AI-generated visuals in Video AI, and upload it to YouTube. Once a video is live, it generates ad revenue, affiliate commissions, and email subscribers, 24 hours a day, without you doing anything. The startup cost? ElevenLabs starts at $6 a month. In Video AI is $17 a month. That's it. The passive income potential? Channels in the finance and AI space earn $15 to $40 per thousand views in ad revenue alone, before affiliate income. ElevenLabs affiliate link is in the description. I actually use this tool myself every single week. Real quick. If you want a checklist of exactly how to set up your first AI passive income streams step by step, I put together a free guide called the AI Side Hustle Starter Checklist. It's completely free. Link is in the description. Grab it. It'll save you hours of figuring things out yourself. Okay, tool number 3. Tool number 3. Canva for passive template shops. Tool 3 is Canva. And here's a passive income angle most people completely overlook. Canva isn't just for making your own graphics. You can sell Canva templates. Businesses, content creators, and social media managers are constantly looking for done-for-you templates. Instagram posts, pitch decks, resumes, planners, lead magnets. You design them once in Canva, list them on Etsy or Gumroad, and every sale is 100% passive. No inventory, no shipping, no customer service beyond an occasional email. A good Canva template pack sells for $7 to $27. A great one with 20 or 30 templates sells for $47 or more. And here's the kicker. You can use ChatGPT to help you figure out which templates are in demand, and you can use AI design tools to speed up the creation process dramatically. Canva is free to start. I'll put the affiliate link in the description. Tool number 4. Claude for affiliate content. Tool 4 is Claude, which is an AI assistant made by Anthropic, and the passive income play here is affiliate marketing content. Here's how it works. Affiliate marketing means you recommend a product, someone buys it through your link, and you earn a commission. Simple. The challenge most people have is creating enough content to drive consistent traffic to those affiliate links. Claude is exceptional at researching topics, writing video scripts, and writing email sequences, all of which drive traffic to your affiliate links on autopilot. The workflow looks like this. Pick a niche, identify 5 to 10 affiliate products in that niche, use Claude to help you create content around those products, publish that content, and let the traffic and commissions come in passively. Claude has a free tier that's genuinely useful. Link is in the description. Tool number 5. Gumroad for your passive income storefront. Tool 5 isn't exactly an AI tool, but it's the infrastructure that makes everything else passive, so it had to be on this list. Gumroad is a platform where you sell digital products directly to customers. No complicated setup, no monthly fees. They take a small percentage of each sale. That's it. Here's why this matters. Everything we've talked about today, the ChatGPT ebook, the Canva templates, the AI-generated content, all of it needs a home. Gumroad is that home. Set it up once. List your products. Share the links in your YouTube descriptions, your emails, your social media. And then, and this is the part that never gets old, you start seeing $27 here, $47 there, showing up in your account while you were at work, at dinner, or asleep. Gumroad is completely free to start. Link in the description. So there you have it. 5 AI tools for building passive income in 2026. ChatGPT for digital products. ElevenLabs for faceless YouTube channels. Canva for template shops. Claude for affiliate content. And Gumroad as your storefront. Here's the action I want you to take this week. Just one thing. Pick the tool that resonates most with you and spend 30 minutes exploring it. Just 30 minutes. You don't have to build anything yet, just get familiar. That's how every passive income stream starts, with one small step. If this was useful, hit subscribe. I put out new AI passive income tutorials every week, and I'd love to have you along for the journey. And grab that free AI side hustle starter checklist in the description. It maps out exactly how to go from zero to your first passive income stream using these tools. I'll see you in the next one.